Welcome back to Nature's Legacy, and thank you for joining us on another journey into the breathtaking wonders of our planet. As we gaze upon these magnificent landscapes, where towering cliffs meet the endless azure sea, I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to all of you. In a digital world overflowing with countless channels, choosing where to spend your time is a deliberate decision. To both our long-standing community members who have been with us through every horizon and our newly arrived followers, thank you. Thank you for choosing to stay, for subscribing, and for sharing a genuine appreciation for the quiet, majestic beauty of the Earth. It is your continued support that keeps this journey alive. As we admire these stunning vistas, a profound question naturally arises. What did these places look like before humans left their mark? When we look at the dramatic coastlines and ancient rock formations captured in this video, it is easy to view them as permanent monuments of stone and water. Yet these landscapes are the product of millions of years of undisturbed geological and biological evolution. Before the arrival of human infrastructure, these shores existed in a state of pristine, untamed equilibrium. Forests stretched uninterrupted to the water's edge. Air and water purity were dictated solely by natural cycles, and ecosystems operated in a delicate, self-sustaining harmony. So, were these places better before what we see today? The answer is both complex and nuanced. On one hand, the natural world in its primitive state possessed an ecological integrity and untouched wildness that human intervention has undeniably altered. Industrial development, urbanization, and tourism have fragmented habitats and introduced pressures that natural systems struggle to absorb. On the other hand, humanity has also brought a unique gift to these landscapes: consciousness and stewardship. Today, we possess the scientific knowledge, the aesthetic appreciation, and the global connectivity to understand the value of these environments. While the pre-human world was defined by raw, unmanaged autonomy, the modern world offers us the distinct responsibility to protect what remains. The beauty we witness today is not just a remnant of the past, but a testament to nature's resilience and a reminder of what is at stake if we fail to act as conscious custodians of our planet. This brings us to a vital reflection as we close today's exploration. These coastal cliffs, vibrant ecosystems, and timeless horizons represent a legacy we have inherited, but one that we do not fully own. As ordinary individuals navigating everyday life, it is easy to feel that our personal actions are too small to make a meaningful difference against global environmental challenges. But true legacy is built through collective intention and the shared resolve to live more gently upon the earth. When we align our daily habits with the preservation of our natural surroundings, we transform individual hesitation into a powerful movement for ecological restoration. As we look toward the responsibilities of tomorrow, what should we do as ordinary people to protect Earth?